The pandemic was a difficult time for all of us. People have struggled through health, disorientation, and economic crisis. Many industries took a hit during this time. However, the industry that were the most badly affected were the tourism and hospitality industry. Due to the increasing disorientation owing to the work from home, people want a change of taste. People needed to get out, have fun, but keep the budget in mind. This was only possible through smaller stays and not too far. In other words, the solution was domestic tourism. Through domestic tourism, the money spent is contributed within our country. In this segment, the holiday type in domestic tourism that has emerged to become the most popular is a staycation. Most of you know that a staycation is a form of domestic tourism. Common activities of a staycation include the use of backyard pool, visit to local parks and museums. Attending local festivals and amusement parks are also a part of staycations. Staycations, yay or nay? Let's see how and why people are preferring staycations and whether or not they can be a great option of traveling. Budget friendly and easier to plan. Staycations are cheaper than other planned vacations. Since a staycation is for those who want to holiday without much headache of traveling, it is very easy to plan. This is because one exactly knows the activities and other things as per budget. Choosing to be in a good farmhouse or hotel is the key to a great staycation experience. Since it is closer to home, you hardly find any culture difference. Also, there is no language barrier and no need of currency exchange. Much needed alone time. A staycation lets you untangle from your stress and guarantees bonding with your family and loved ones. With the help of activities, you and your family will have a great time away from the worldly affairs. If you are a solo traveler, you get all the time in the world to pamper yourself. You can easily get time to plan your week, roam around, and watch TV at the end of the day. Staying away from people for a while brings peace with self. Another major advantage of a staycation is that everything is available under one roof. This way, you give proper weightage to things you really want to explore before heading out. Supporting local communities. Taking a staycation is a way to help boost the local economy. Staycations often support local businesses. People are generally inclined to explore the local items and purchase them, thus booming the overall economy of the place. Apart from these, a lot of staycation properties have great Ayurvedic treatments available. There are amazing massage centers too. Local experts trained in Ayurveda provide these treatments and massages. It is indeed an uplifting experience. Sitaram Beach Resort, Thrissur, Atmantan Resort, Mulshi, and Dela Resort, Lonavala are some of the famous staycation places in India. This concludes that whether you try to choose to travel near your home or travel domestically, staycations are here to stay. It's time you try it too and refresh yourself with your loved ones.